Hello everyone. Topic is formative assessment. How to create formative assessment. Assessment creation option is available under exam that is called manage formative assessment. Just click there and we'll get a panel from where we can create a formative assessment. Before we get started, let's look at here what are the various type of formative assessment can be created at the system. Let's carefully look into this example and we'll get a very good idea about it. So this is the first type. Class 10 is a class and English is a subject. Under English subject, I will create a normal formative assessment which is called reading skill and writing skill. This is the first way of creating formative assessment. The second way, the class 10 which has subject English. Under that, I have a parent skill, language skill. Under that, I have a reading skill and writing skill formative assessment. So this both are called create subject level formative assessment. Here it's a direct skill, reading and writing. Here under English there is a parent skill called language skill, and under language there is a reading and writing skill. Okay, so there are two ways I can create a subject level formative assessment. Similarly, there are two other ways to create a class level formative assessment. Here this is a class level formative assessment. Previous one was under the class, it was subject. English is a subject under the class. Here there is no subject, direct class level skills, class 10, and directly there is a reading and writing skills. Okay, and now the final part is the fourth one, where under class I can create a parent skill, language skill, and reading and writing skill. Let's get started and we'll try to create all those examples into the system, and we'll give you clear-cut idea how the system works and how to create all these four level of skills. Well, so before we start, the question is why this different way of creating skill. So basically it's a choice of the tutor, the choice of the organizations, how they want to represent the skills into the report card. Sometime in report card someone want to present like the parent skill as a language. Under the banner of language skill they want to represent the reading skill or writing skill. Okay, sometime the institute do not want to represent the subject, they just directly wanted to represent the skills under the class, direct reading skill, writing skill. And sometime under the class they wanted to have a language skill as a title, and under that reading and writing skill should be represented. So therefore let's go here and let's start creating skill using this button, create class assessment. So just click here and we'll start and go create this one. Very simple, class 10, subject is English. So I just select my class 10A and I just select subject English. And is parent skill? No, this is not a parent skill. This is a direct skill, reading skill and writing skill. So just select this reading skill and pipe, and just type writing skill. That's it. So using pipe I can add multiple skills. Maybe I can create a skill one after another one, but if I do using pipe I can create two skills together. And term, if I want to create a skill for term 1 and term 2, I need to select the term, but it's optional right now. Evaluation count, this is very important, how many evaluations I want. So this skill should be evaluated, how many observations. Observations 1, okay, or observation OBR 2 or OBR 3. It means 3 times I'm going to do observations for the skills, or 1 time I'm going to do observation for the skills. So let's say as of now, to get started, let's take up 2. And finally evaluation type, this is very important, radio button, numeric or alphabetic. If I select radio options, I need to select something like good, need improvement, okay, and maybe I can put some other option, let's say excellent, good, and need improvement, right? So there are 3 options there. So I think I need to give these options by comma separated. So this is a comma and this is a comma. So comma separated options has been given. If I select radio, or if I select if I go for numeric, then system allow me to put the numeric values like any point like 1, 2, 3, 4. I can give a max points. And alphabetic means I can write anything like good, better, best, A, B, C, D, whatever. Let's go with radio. Okay, so radio is options, and just clicked on create, and that's it. The two skills, reading and writing, is created. Okay, so if I select my class English and just say get skill, uh, let me just refresh, and here I will select my class English and just click on get skill. Yeah, and here you go, I can see the reading skill and writing skill. Okay, so now the second way of creating the skill is like having the parent skill. Let's do that. So for that, again click on create class skills, select the class 10A, and target subject is English, and this time it's a parent skill. So first of all, I will create a language skill. I type language skill, and the that's it. Evaluation, number of evaluation would be 2. Okay, and that's it. Just create a parent skill. So this is created, and now under this parent I need to create reading and writing. Well, so for that I'll go and create class skills. I select class, then I select subject English, and then I select parent skill like language skill, and then I need to put reading and writing. Okay, and automatically get evaluation count, and the skill type would be the radio, and just say options. Yeah, excellent, good, and need improvement. Yeah, so need improvement, there was a typo, and just say create. Yes, so skill is created. Let's again go and click on get skill, and here now I can see a language skill, and if I clicked on plus, I will see 2 child skill. If I here clicked on plus, I will not see any child skill because it's a normal skill. And since the language skill is a parent skill, I can see the the reading and writing skill. If I want to rename the skill, I just type or anything, I just rename it here right there. It's very quickly I can rename. Okay, so that's there. Reading and writing skill has been created under this. So this is the way. Now the third way is just creating a skill directly under the class. Okay, so again clicked on create class assessment. Just select your class, do not select any subject, and directly put reading and writing skill, right? And number of evaluations 2. The evaluation type is radio, excellent, good, need improvement. Yeah, 3 options, and just clicked on create. That's it, it's done. If I just clicked on get skills, I can see here reading, writing, and language. This is a previous one, but if I remove this English as a subject and just click on get skill, I can see a 2 skill, reading skill, writing skill, which do not have any subject reference here, right? And this is a language skill, which is a parent skill, do not have evaluation type reference here. Okay, so now let's go and create the final one, the class level skill, which is a parent and the child. So again clicked on the class, create class assessment, select the class. Here no need to select the subject, select is parent, and type language skill, and the number of evaluation would be the 2, and just say create. This is a parent skill I'm going to create. Okay, and once the parent is done, this parent is done. Okay, and I will go and create reading skill and writing skill. Okay, so now I just need to click on create class assessment, select the class. No need to select subject because it's a class level skill. Obviously I need to select the parent skill, which is language skill, under the class 10A. I should not select language skill under the class 10A English. I just need to select the language skill under class 10A. And under that I will select reading skill and writing skill, and then evaluation type would be radio, excellent, and need improvement. Yes, and just create. That's it. And if I now clicked on get skill, here I can see these are the 2 subject level skill, direct skill, reading skill, and writing skill. It's a direct skill. This is a language skill, which is parent skill under the subject, and the same way reading skill and writing skill is directly under the class, no subject reference. And this is a 4th one, class 10 language skill, reading skill and writing skill under the language. So it's here. Let's do review. So class 10 English reading and writing, it is here. Class 10, this is class 10 under English direct skill reading and writing, and here the class 10 for the English subject, parent subject is in language skill, and under that reading and writing. So class 10 parent subject is the class subject is English, parent skill is language skill. If I click on plus, I will see two child skill. Here I don't have any child skills. The similar way, that's for the class level as well, no subject level, direct skill reading skill and writing skill, and the child's parent skill, and under that parent child skills. Okay, really confusing, no need to worry, try it a couple of times and you will get it. So this is the way we can create the skills, but how to put the evaluations of the results for these skills, we'll look at into the another tutorial. Thank you.